From captivity released, from the south and from the north, from the west and from the east. In his love he brought them forth, ransomed out of every land, from the adversary's hand. Wandering in the wilderness, far they roamed the desert way, found no settled dwelling place, wherein peace secure to stay, till with thirst and hunger pressed, courage sank within their breasts. Then to God the Lord they cried in their trouble, and he saved. He himself became their guide, led them to the rest they craved, by a pathway straight and sure to a